child born innocent. Every single one born out of their mother vagina innocent. It is the parenting that has changed. Parents are no longer parents. Them just want to piss out the picnic. Hey guys, it's Dehlia. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when we put out new videos. So it has been a little over a week since online school has started in Jamaica, and it has been turbulent. I have seen and heard so many shocking things. I'm gonna watch some of these, well, listen, but for the most part most of them are voice notes. We're gonna listen and then we are going to discuss it. I have a few things to say.
Miss, I am taking a break right now.
Sheldon, we have a set time for break and a set time for lunch. You don't decide when you take a break, alright? Just sit and wait until we say it's break time.
Are we supposed to just pick some random letters to fill in the blank? Because I didn't see an example or an instruction to show or something to read to figure out the sentence that is here.
What? What? Mommy, whoever you are, you need to get a book and pencil. I'll go sit down beside a child in a class, cause wow.
And put comma, pen and roses.
I want him comma.
I have no phone in a miss. I'm not give Pitney no my phone. I'm not leaving my phone with no Pitney for me. No, when me winning that to them, I call me and can't get me a picking them and get me. What? Kids school in a yard, we pay for it. Or me get one phone, we make it know. If not let me phone, you know Pitney for me. I buy a lot of hard phone with me.
There is the problem right there. That parent is the problem, not the online classes in that one. The parent is the problem.
My service is picking up E, and when I try to connect to it, it says failed to join. So I don't know what is the matter, but I don't know. I mean, I really understand how to use the Google Classroom. I'm telling you, no lie, sir. Sir, my...
Way you typed a message inside there, and I'm very ashamed to actually read what you just wrote. Has been copied and measured for you.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Miss, Darcy's like, you're doing a read it.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Vocabularies and so on. Put it phone for a chat. I'm going to watch back the show. Because I'll call long there, so about me write off things, and then when they done, you go and chat about teacher and not take it, but still writing. Me not write nothing. You're so much me deaf on it, me not write nothing. You write and turn back where me not write. If you write and turn upside down or backward, anywhere they not turn. Me not write nothing. And daddy not write nothing. And daddy not there. Not do nothing. Morning, miss. I'm born at yard. We don't feel to do work because when I do work at yard.
Me stress right out.
We can't all hear what I say. And if you come out with a little fight.
Hello. I'm waiting for some work because I didn't have anything to do.
This is not your teacher. I am a parent. I am not your teacher.
Can I figure out so?
You're going to ranking face the big deal. Every time I said to you, I am not your teacher. I am a parent. How me a galang? How you
from bad will tell you.
Yeah?
To not do that parent. You're a parent, you're kids.
Exactly.
Go on my phone and don't send me a voice note to my phone again. Otherwise, I'm going to check it out and I'm going to go your parents. I said, I am not your teacher. I am a parent. I am not your teacher. So why you keep on texting my phone and
You
bothering
could
me?
never be the teacher
Forget
for
some
you.
manners, little picnic.
And you forget manners. Jesus Christ.
Your big sucking mama in here then. Jesus.
Wow. Wow.
Holy fucking phone in idiots.
I am Kevin Mason. I am 6'8".
No.
I am lecturer.
I see him for Korean.
Dunks. Me a go tan dunks. This go go some work for China. Me tan dunks. I'm done with the work. Gonna lie, so me text back and nothing me done. Like me typically, me mentally, me abusively, verbally, sexually, every alley done with work. Me done. You better me dunks, turn on me yard and text. That me get me degree already. Me no want no.
Wow. Wow. Just wow, guys. Alright. I have a few things to say. But let me say this first. I am not speaking to people who genuinely cannot afford it, who genuinely don't know any better, who are living way below where they should be. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about people of a little higher intelligence and who can afford certain things. For the entire week, from before school opened, people have been complaining that them kids will go back to school and online thing not gonna work, and what am I gonna do with the children when they have to go to work, and all kind of things. Coming up with excuses why online school is not going to work. In my opinion, some parents will make it hard. They will make it not work. They will. Yeah. They will make it not work because children must go back to school. They must go back to the babysitter. Them have to go back because them not have time for this. You're a parent and you have a phone. And obviously the phone can be hooked up to data, and obviously the phone can take the internet and Google Classroom and whatever else. And you're going to say that you're not going to leave your phone, give no child because of some crap like lotto or something like that? You really don't deserve to be a parent. You're not ready for this yet. None at all. You're not ready for this yet. No. If you can afford a phone and data, and you are going to refuse to give your child that phone for that child to have an education or a chance to learn something, and you're gonna say no, what kind of parent are you? Tell me. And then for the parents them we get record that tear up some dirty bad word under the pitney them. You know, there's this saying, they always say nowadays, that these generation of children are different from what used to be one time. Not no go so. Are the parenting different? The children are not different. Every child born innocent. Every single one born out of their mother vagina innocent. It is the parenting that has changed. The dirty, nasty word them and the dirty, nasty behavior them, that is what is influencing the children, and that is why they have no control, because if the parents don't have any respect for themselves, how on earth the children go have respect for anybody at all? Tell me. You're teaching a child to do something and it is something new. They might come in front of the phone and attack to the phone. They never do it before. You're going to lead him up some dirty bad than the poor child. It is not like, it's not that online school can't work, you know. It can work if the parents work along with the school and the teachers and their children. And for those of them who are talking about them can't afford to do this. You can't afford the 30-inch hair, you can't afford the stiletto nails. Right? But you can't afford a tablet or a computer for your child. Those things are cutting into your beauty money. Just like how you know how to go scam the man them, if you get what you want, go scam 2 man and buy 2 books and buy 1 computer and buy 1 tablet for your child. Just like that. Yeah. I know probably if anybody watches this, I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate under here. But you know what? I don't care. Because me not talk about anything that is untrue. It is true. Parents are no longer parents. Them just want to piss out the picnic and get a little change from a man and move on. It shows. This online thing shows exactly why the children are like this, why they're so indisciplined, why they behave like this, why they not have no respect for anybody, because of the parents. And as I said before, no child not born out of their mother vagina and already them being them disrespectful. No, them grow conceit, them living at it. Right? And don't come tell me about parents don't know any better. That's bull crap. Bull crap. You know why we say that? Because you see, if them figure at embassy, them know how to dress, them know how to talk, them know how to behave. To ensure so them get the stamp to go over Uncle Sam country. They know how to do this. So if your child is having class, why you can't sit and shut up? Someone gonna really need to go pull up a chair beside the child and learn your ABC 1, 2, 3 months of the year, days of the week, and to spell your own name. Parents, you need to do better. You prefer send your child out there to catch whatever is out there and bring it, come home, come give you and give other people. And you don't even know if your child have some hidden illnesses when I come forth there. You don't even know if you have none. But you want to send your child out there same way in the heat of this. Come on, man. You guys need to do better. Parents just need to do better. It is ridiculous. Some of the things, yes, you laugh. And you laugh at them and you say, it's funny. Yeah, it's funny. Some of them are really funny. But some of them just plain ridiculous and stupid and show why it shows why children, I don't feed them fault. I don't feed them fault. Right, I know when one pick me out, when one pick me behave so bad that the state have to take them, they need to lock up the parents too. Because I feed them fault. Look on them something there, go big old suck your mother. And your child is right there, big old suck. What? What? Come on, man. I don't want this video to be very long. I just needed to weigh in on this. I don't even know what to call it right now. Because it's just a state of ridiculousness. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. And guys, until next time, bye.